Welcome to Intelligere. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to create variable amount voucher entries using the amount distribution module. Step 1. Click on the amount distribution module from your dashboard. Step 2. Click on the variable amount button to start the process. Step 3. Select your debit ledger. This is the single ledger from which the amount will be debited. Step 4. Select your credit ledgers. You can choose one or more ledgers from the drop-down list. Step 5. Choose the distribution mode. Select either weekly or monthly depending on your requirement. Step 6. Enter the variable amounts to be distributed as per your need. Step 7. Enter the total number of entries you wish to generate. Step 8. Choose the start date from which voucher entries should be created. Step 9. Click on the Generate button. Your variable amount voucher entries will now be generated. Step 10. Review all the entries. Once confirmed, click on the Send to Tally button. Step 11. Open Tally to ensure that your vouchers have been successfully posted. And that's it. With Intelligere, creating variable amount vouchers is quick, accurate, and effortless. Try it now and automate your accounting like never before. Take full control of your dynamic payouts with Intelligere. Whether it's weekly or monthly, you decide the amount and distribution, Intelligere handles the rest. Generate voucher entries your way and send them straight to Tally with zero hassle. Try it today and simplify your accounting workflow. Need help? Our friendly support team is just a message away. Call or email us using the details on screen. And don't forget to book your demo today. Future of Accounting, Intelligere.